Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Messenger notifications not showing up. If Messenger notifications are not showing up, the cause is usually notification settings, battery restrictions, or app permissions. Try these fixes in order. So first, check Messenger notification settings. So open the Messenger app, tap on menu at the bottom right corner. So from here, select settings, then scroll down and look for notifications and sounds. So select that. Then from here, make sure notifications are on and not muted. So at the top, you'll see do not disturb. Make sure that is turned off or disabled. Next, verify phone notification permissions. So close Messenger app and go to your settings. Then from here, scroll down to the bottom and go to apps. Then from here, look for Messenger, select it. Then from here, select notifications and turn on allow notifications, just like so. So enable all notification categories like messages, calls, chats, etc. You can also enable lock screen, notification center, banners, and sounds. Now from here, let's go back to the last page. Then look for background app refresh at the bottom and make sure it is enabled, just like so. And that's basically it. I hope that fixes the problem. Thanks for watching.